So today we'll talk about why electrical engineering is considered the toughest branch of engineering. So electrical engineering is a challenging field that requires deep knowledge of advanced mathematics, physics and computer science. In electrical engineering you learn about circuits, power systems and electronics. These concepts are complex and understanding them can be quite difficult. Practical work is also very important in electrical engineering. You need to design circuits and machines in this field. These tasks are time consuming and doing them correctly can be quite challenging. But let's be honest, the real reason why electrical engineering is considered the toughest branch of engineering is because of the engineering colleges.
Engineering colleges are supposed to be a place where you learn and grow as an engineer, but in reality they are more like a prison where you are forced to memorize things that you will never use in your life. The professors are like prison wardens who make sure that you don't have any fun while you are there, and the students are like prisoners who are just waiting for their sentence to end. But don't worry, there's always a silver lining. If you're lucky enough to survive engineering college, you will come out as a stronger person. You will have the ability to solve complex problems and design innovative solutions. You will be able to think outside the box and come up with creative ideas. And most importantly, you will have a sense of humor. Because let's face it, if you can survive engineering college, you can survive anything.
अब हम इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग की बात कर ही रहे हैं तो मैं आपको अपने कॉलेज के ट्रिपल डिपार्टमेंट के क्लासरूम्स दिखाती हूँ. चलो लेट्स गो. यार वैसे मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज ऑनलाइन था. काफी सही दिन थे वो. एकेडमिक्स काफी हद तक सही चल रहा था और आजकल तो हम फूड, कैब सब कुछ ही ऑनलाइन बुक कर सकते हैं. तो एजुकेशन ऑनलाइन क्यों नहीं?
आज मैं आपको एक ऐसी वेबसाइट के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ जो कि ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन के बारे में है. इसका नाम है कॉलेज विद्या. इस पे आपको कोई भी यूजी या पीजी कोर्स करना है तो उसको सेलेक्ट करो, फिर कुछ डिटेल्स फिल करके ये आपको अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग कॉलेज सजेस्ट कर देगा. फिर आप उनकी स्टूडेंट रेटिंग, प्लेसमेंट पार्टनर देखकर और आपको जो सही लगे उन यूनिवर्सिटी को कंपेयर भी कर सकते हो. और साथ ही ईएमआई का ऑप्शन भी देती है. सो फीस की टेंशन भी खत्म. आप किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी की वेबसाइट पे डायरेक्टली जाकर फॉर्म फिल कर सकते हो ताकि आप फेक वेबसाइट से भी बचो. आपको फिर भी कोई डाउट हो तो इनके काउंसलर से बात करके आप सारे डाउट सॉल्व कर सकते हो. सो देर किस बात की, जल्दी से वेबसाइट चेक करो. लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दिया है.
Now let's talk about some of the things that make engineering colleges so tough. Firstly, there's the professors. They are like drill sergeants who make sure that you're always on your toes. They will give you assignments that are impossible to complete and then laugh at you when you fail. They will ask questions that nobody knows the answer to and then ridicule you when you get it wrong. Secondly, there's the coursework. It's like a never-ending nightmare that just keeps getting worse. You will spend hours upon hours trying to solve problems that nobody has solved before. You will read textbooks that are written in a language that nobody understands. And when you finally think that you have got it all figured out, they will throw something new at you just to keep you on your toes. And let's not forget about the equipment. Electrical engineers work with some of the most complex and expensive equipments out there.
One mistake can cost you thousands of rupees in damages.
But hey, at least you will have a cool story to tell your friends about how you blew up $1 million machine. But don't worry, it's not all bad news. Electrical engineering can also be a lot of fun. There's nothing quite like the feeling of seeing your design come to life for the first time. And if it doesn't work, just blame it on faulty wiring or something. Finally, there's the exams. They are like a battle between life and death. You will walk into the exam hall feeling confident and prepared, but by the time you walk out, you will feel like a complete failure. The questions will be impossible to answer and the time will fly by so fast that you don't even know what hit you. But don't worry, there are some things that you can do to make your life easier. Firstly, find a good study group. Having people around who understand what you are going through can make all the difference. Secondly, take breaks. Don't spend all your time studying because it will only make things worse. And finally, remember to laugh. Life is too short to take everything seriously. So there you have it, folks. That's why electrical engineering is considered the toughest branch of engineering. But don't let it scare you away from pursuing your dreams. If you're passionate about it, go for it. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. बाकी तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. Till then, keep hustling. Bye-bye.
लड़खड़ाता हुआ जाम ढूंढ रहा हूँ, सूरत से मुखातिब मैं वो शाम ढूंढ रहा हूँ। मंजर मेरी नजर में ये सब हसीन, वॉक द स्टेज चारों तरफ नाम गूंज रहा हूँ।